Hey friends, welcome back to the Daily Health Shift. I'm Daniel. Today's topic is nutrition for busy lifestyles. How to eat well, even when you're short on time. Between work, family, and everything else life throws at us, it's easy to let nutrition slide. Today, we'll cover why nutrition still matters, common mistakes, my personal experience, and a step-by-step guide to building a realistic eating plan that fits your schedule, even if you're juggling work meetings, errands, and family commitments. Good nutrition fuels your energy, focus, immune system, and long-term health. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition show that people who maintain balanced diets even during busy periods have 30% higher productivity and fewer sick days. This isn't just about aesthetics or weight management. It's about feeling good enough to perform your best every day. I remember my own struggles balancing multiple jobs while training for marathons. I noticed my focus and endurance drop dramatically when I resorted to skipping meals or grabbing fast food too often. Once I got into meal prepping and simple nutrition habits, everything changed. Listener story. Olivia from New York said, "Once I learned to prep simple meals ahead of time, my energy stayed steady even on my busiest work weeks." Her experience is common. When you provide your body with steady, balanced fuel, you can handle stress better, think clearer, and stay healthier overall. Plus, long-term health risks tied to nutrient deficiencies, such as heart disease and diabetes, can be prevented with just a few small, consistent habits. Let's break down some of the biggest mistakes I see. Mistake 1. Skipping meals completely. This leads to energy crashes and overeating later. Mistake 2. Relying on fast food or vending machines. These options are usually high in sodium, sugar, and unhealthy fats while lacking in essential nutrients. Mistake 3. Over-snacking on processed foods. It's easy to grab chips or cookies when you're in a hurry, but those won't keep you full or focused for long. Mistake 4. Forgetting hydration. Dehydration can reduce focus and increase cravings. Mistake 5. Ignoring protein and fiber. These two nutrients keep you fuller longer and stabilize blood sugar levels. Neglecting them is a recipe for afternoon crashes. Mistake 6. Underestimating planning. The biggest hidden mistake is simply not taking 10 to 15 minutes to think ahead. That short planning window can mean the difference between a healthy day and one full of nutritional gaps. Here's my personal system that I stick to even when life gets chaotic. First, pre-plan 3 to 5 go-to meals and snacks. For me, that's overnight oats, grilled chicken wraps, protein shakes, nuts, and fruit. Next, batch cook once or twice per week. Sunday meal prep is non-negotiable. I cook enough protein, grains, and veggies for 3-4 days. Third, use portable nutrition options. Keep things like protein bars, mixed nuts, and fruit on hand so you're never stuck without food. Fourth, keep a water bottle with you always. Hydration is half the battle. Finally, prioritize protein and fiber in every meal. This keeps you fuller, focused, and energized for longer periods. I also recommend investing in small kitchen tools that make healthy prep easier. Things like rice cookers, air fryers, or pre-cut vegetables can save precious minutes. Listener story. Michael from California said, "I used to skip breakfast, but now with overnight oats ready in the fridge, I never miss it." Simple habits like these save time, stress, and energy. Over time, these small tools and habits create what I call nutrition autopilot, where eating well becomes effortless. Now let's create your plan. Step 1. Identify your busiest days and meal gaps. Think about when you usually skip meals or make poor choices. Step 2. Plan simple meals that work in those gaps. Focus on things that take 5 to 10 minutes to prepare or grab-and-go items. Examples include overnight oats, smoothie packs prepped in the freezer, or salad kits. Step 3. Shop and prep once or twice per week. This saves countless hours during the week. I recommend doing this on Sundays and Wednesdays. Step 4. Track how you feel. Energy, focus, hunger. Make adjustments based on how your body responds. For example, if you're still crashing mid-afternoon, add more protein or fiber earlier in the day. Step 5. Adjust for real life. Build in flexible options for unexpected late nights or travel days, like having a list of healthier fast food orders you know you can rely on. Alright friends, that's it for today's episode. If this helped you, share it with someone trying to eat healthier on a busy schedule. And if you want real-world health advice, subscribe to the Daily Health Shift. Next week, we're diving into joint health and mobility tips for active lifestyles. I'll see you then.